Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to practice another sketch inside Creo Parametric. So as you can see, we have the simple sketch. I'm going to create the same sketch inside Creo, so you can just follow through and learn the beginner's guide on how to design using Creo Parametric. So let's go for new, let's go for sketch 4, I guess. Yeah, go for my own template, which is part mm. Okay, let me see my plane. Okay, let's start with the front plane, extrude, and we can approach this sketch in any ways you want, but I'm gonna start with the circle. So go for two circles. First one is 120. Okay, 120 radii, 120, and this is in radius. So when it click, and then you will get this toggle option. So this is like a mini window with different options like modify, replace, all that. Here you get the option to change it to radius and then give it 120. Yeah. After that, we'll go to line, start somewhere like this. Do one line, escape, mirror it with this reference line, and then for the next, I will select the rectangle. I can take this point as the reference and draw a rectangle like this. Okay, and then for the inner cutout, I can take line like this, 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 and then finish the drawing. After this, I need to delete some segments. So delete the segment, this one, this one, this, this, and this. Our sketch looks okay, but still we need to modify the dimensions. So you can click here somewhere, modify. Here we can modify. So what we need to do first is we need to go for dimension, give the overall. So this to this is 480. As you can see, it did not take 480. We are going to that because few of the dimensions will not uh, work like that. I mean, already we see the dimensions over here, so that is interfering with that, and we're not able to give the exact 480 dimension. So we need to start from the lowest dimension in this case. And first of all, as you can see, this is only this one is symmetric. Rest all of this stuff is not symmetric. So you can just click on the symmetric constraint option, and then what we can do is we can just select this line and 2 points. Again, mm, we can easiest way to is to go for symmetric constraint, select the center line and the 2 points that you want to symmetric. Same thing for these 2 points, very easy. And then I think one more for these 2 points, already done. Okay, no problem. So now it's time to give the dimension 180, and this to this is 300. That is also done. This is 30. This is 80. And yeah, I think one more dimension we can give from center to this end, 480. Now I took the dimension. Okay, so here you can see this dimension is coming. This is because we have not fixed this. So we need to fix the dimension between these two, which is 80. All right, so our sketch is ready. And from here, what you can do is you can just go one step and first of all switch off the plane display so that you can view all your dimension. And then what you can do is you can learn about the fillet command. So if you go to fillet, we have multiple options for fillet, but most of the time we are going to use circular or circular trim. So let's see both of these. I will go for circular, select these two, and you can see the fillet is provided, which is of 69 radius, and these two construction line are depicting that this point was previously the merge point of this circle and this line. You can view, like, you can take this reference, see this point and this point are equal. Now if you go for fillet circular trim, what will happen is it will just trim without giving you the previous reference construction lines. So it doesn't matter much. Only in some case we are going to use circular, I mean direct circular fillet with the construction line visible. Most of the time we are going to utilize this circular trim. So this is how you can utilize the fillet command. I will just then go and say, let's give me 50. For this also I will say 50. Okay, here also we can provide. So go for circular trim, these two, these two. Again, we can go ahead and say 50, go ahead and say 50. After this, we can uh, start adding chamfer also, but I don't think we need it in this tutorial. We will take it in the another tutorial. That's for it. What is this dimension that is coming? 130. What is this 130? It means something is not constrained. No. Okay, this center point it is taking. That's not a problem. We can ignore this 130 because this is the radius fillet that we have given, that is taking the dimension on its own. We don't need to define it. So this is how you can create the simple sketch inside Creo Parametric. I hope you guys like this video. Feel free to comment down below if you have any doubts, and I will see you with another sketching tutorial in the next video. Peace out.